On March 14, 2023, OpenAI announced its next-generation AI language model, ChatGPT 4. For those who are new to ChatGPT, can catch up on the introduction to ChatGPT in our previous video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to never miss out our latest videos. What is ChatGPT 4? According to OpenAI, ChatGPT 4 is the next-generation language model, which is more advanced mainly in three key areas. These are long context, creativity and visual input. OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 is much advanced at both creating and collaborating with users on creative projects like music, screenplays, technical writing. Let's explore few of the new features of ChatGPT 4. Increased word processing capabilities. Compared to the prior version, GPT-4 is now able to produce longer, more detailed written responses with high accuracy. ChatGPT-4 can process 2,500 words, which is more than 8 times a previous version. ChatGPT 3.5 could process only 3,000 words. This feature helps the user to summarize a large amount of data from a blog or to handle a large text input. Image handling capacity. Unlike previous version, the version 4 can take image as an input and process it. Images may include even a hand-drawn sketch and screenshots. ChatGPT 4 can analyze the content of an image and process that to answer an question. For example, if we show the image of few vegetables and if we ask to make a recipe, then ChatGPT 4 can come up with some recipe. Though there is no information on processing video input yet. Availability of ChatGPT 4. If we are already signed up to ChatGPT, then we can access all features of ChatGPT 4 by upgrading to ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 paid subscription. Just click on Upgrade to Plus in the sidebar in ChatGPT. Once we upgrade, then it will allow to toggle between ChatGPT 4 and older version, based upon the user preference. Microsoft's new Bing Chat is using ChatGPT 4, which can be accessed as free, but in new Bing Chat, few features of ChatGPT 4 are disabled, such as image processing feature. Thanks for watching this video.